MPCC President 𝐶𝐫𝐬 expresses shock over massacre of 13 unarmed Meitei men. Questions silence of centre and state government. Like-minded group extends financial help to family of suicide victim 𝐕𝐵𝐶𝐻. And Joram People's Movement leader Laldu Homa takes over as new Chief Minister of Mizoram. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CILINA giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC MLA 𝐶𝐫𝐬 maintained that the 3 members of Parliament MPs from Manipur must pressurize Prime Minister Narendra Modi to break his silence and discuss the issue of Manipur during the ongoing Parliament winter session. Addressing media persons at a press conference held at Congress Bhavan on BT Road today, 𝐶𝐫𝐬 contended that the government has not given any resolute answer till date as to how the ongoing crisis erupted in Manipur on May 3rd. Multiple answers ranging from restrictions of poppy plantation, evictions of illegal structures in reserved forest areas to crack down on influx of illegal immigrants have created confusion to the public, he said. Observing that the issue in the state is an international geopolitical issue, he maintained that the government needs to be strengthened to contain the situation. The MPCC president further questioned as to why the state government is still in doldrums even as the crisis has lasted for more than 7 months. Terming the silence of the central government on the brutal torture and subsequent executions of 13 unarmed Meiteis by Kuki militants at Laithau Kuki village in Tengnoupal district as extremely unfortunate. He mounted pressure on the state government to take steps to stop the war and restore peace and normalcy in Manipur at the earliest. MLA 𝐶𝐫𝐬 also condoled the demise of the 13 Meitei youth.
Kulaisu paitaba youthsing mayam akhoi pulaf one time da yamna sathiba mongda hatkibasi yamna nuaite Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na strongly condemn tawjari tang ahum dagi mathang sugumba pulap sibagi thabaksi Manipur sida suklep leptuna tha taret mapung phare an sarkar si kari mata response tawdabasi masibu kari leibajano genocide taking place genocide si su Satharapasi Masi Karambakanda thing Gaduribano, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na Saitegi, Yumaitaba Pundok Pasiga, Luidana, Garang Toiba Taudiaxida, India ki Home Minister Amadi, Maruina Pradhan Mantri, Narendra Modi ji, Wapum Amatta, Twitter the Oiro, Adagi, Facebook the Oiro, Media the Press the Oiro, Hairaktabasina Karigino, Honorable Prime Minister na 6 December. Sida cyclone Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, adagi Puducherry gi swai sida mi khara cyclone alai khidabududi mana extra Twitter da adum instantly khudakta tweet tawrai Modi ji na thodok macha adagi nuaitaba thodok gari accident bus accident adagi ratha jatra gi kang singwa sugumba mayamda mi manga tara leitaba accident thopu khopadudi adumak Bharat ki citizen khudimaki awana kayada adum share tawi Manipur da since 3rd of May tang ahum dagi hauna tha taret mapung pharakpa masida asina yum kai mai chakpa more than 60,000 displaced person laiba khudung chadaba mayam thengnariba misi mina thoiba yum kaida hanjanba ngamdabagi thodok sida wahai amaba ngasibo hangakte ngarangi thodok sisu hairakte hangakte masina mahan thoiba thodok se masi matang sidasu wahai amaba Manipur se masi matang sida haidaba se karino state government nasu magi chap chaba responsibility lawgadaba su lawdaba center government nasu responsibility lawgadaba se lawdaba aikhoi karamna Bharat ki manungda laiba state amo oina Bharat ki bona fide citizen asengba citizen amo oina aikhoi kayam kuina Manipur sida laikhidege Bharat ki fiban nungda laikhidege haibase aikhoi mipong khudimangna hangi
Like-minded group LMG has extended a financial aid of 8,000 rupees to parents of late 𝐂𝐲𝐬 by visiting the residence of the deceased at 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 in Lamlai Assembly constituency today. It may be mentioned that 𝐂𝐲𝐬, who was taking shelter at Nongada relief camp, committed suicide by consuming brake oil after he could not afford medications for his ailment. The LMG team who visited the deceased residence, led by its publicity secretary, Rakesh Naurim, included its secretary, 𝐂𝐲𝐸 and members, Kunjeswar Mangsatabam, Surendra Ningombam, and Sarat Pukhrambam. Speaking on the occasion, 𝐂𝐲𝐸 said, the already traumatized displaced person Romes, who was taking shelter at the relief camp, resorted to committing suicide after he could not afford the medical expenses. Expressing deep sorrow at his demise, 𝐂𝐲𝐸 stated that if the state government has not suspended the internet, the news of Romes' inability to afford his medicine would have done rounds on social media, and many people, including LMG, could have saved Romes' precious life. Terming the incident as heartbreaking and extremely unfortunate, 𝐂𝐲𝐸 appealed to the people of the state to help those in need and save their lives during this time of crisis. The group members also paid their last respects to the 13 slain youth of the state on the occasion. Governor of Mizoram Haribabu Kambhampati handed over the official appointment letter to Joram People's Movement leader Laldu Homa as the new Chief Minister of State today. Laldu Homa met Governor Haribabu to stake claim for the formations of government in Mizoram. JPM Chief Laldu Homa, following a landslide victory in Mizoram, is set to replace Joram Thanga as the next Chief Minister. He stated that the state's youth had grown tired of the existing Mizo National Front (MNF) and were eager for a regime change bringing new ideas and principles. Laldu Homa expressed gratitude for the win, attributing it to the blessings of God and the people. He mentioned that the public had chosen him as their leader the previous year and that his appointment as CM was anticipated. The new government, he said, would focus on numerous issues across its 45 departments. President of Shiv Sena Manipur Pradesh M. Tombi stated that Shiv Sena leaders will raise the Manipur crisis during the ongoing parliament session. He also called upon the people of Manipur to contact at mobile number 700-50-92662 for 24/7 ambulance service in case of emergency. Speaking to media persons at a press meet held at Shiv Sena office located at Babupara, M. Tombi continued that many central leaders, including the Prime Minister, had been repeatedly urged to bring a solution to the state crisis by submitting memorandum. However, they have turned a deaf ear and no solution have been brought till today, he lamented. Tombi contended that with the Kukis indulging in ethnic cleansing of the Meiteis by adopting different ploys to disintegrate Manipur, it has come to a situation where the youth and women folk of the state are putting their lives at stake to protect the motherland. He also added that Shiv Sena does not take the partition's conduct of the central force in this crucial juncture lightly. M. Tombi further called upon the people to avail the 24/7 ambulance service being provided by the party in time of the emergencies, both crisis-related and personal medical emergency.
Community ani Maitai Yamdi Kukise. She shows Aruga, Lalobuki Lucing Boro, Amoboro, a quick community initiate Warish Haba Hudrugati, Zapangi Hero Shimada, Napi Bobo the bomb Tadaba, me Pushibos when I really go my lady, Santi Warish Santi Burki, permanent solution, Burki, Hiroshima. Why not? A quick Manipur, the Pikamani Pursida, Mio listening La Contra Laiba, Aruga, a quick Maharashtra, UP, District of Dunsaba, State Sida, Tata Economic Humi, Shujala Pauda, Santi Purpungam, the Siki, so Maramde, Tumnova Halaga, Yomai, Tumnova Taraga, a quick Lamundi Hamane, Sinataba, take a solitaire, our Moina, to Lale, Moina, Kagumani, a queen of Kangi, shoulders of Gangani. lomma lomma ga migi lau khoba lau yeba lomma lomma ga hatpa aduga thabak suba chandi mi mem thala thala ga hatpa aduga tongan tongan mai pai pu sengi khoi gi laisang thugai ba yomai thaba gatana tara aduga mafam mafam da khoi na khomu lo thoga changna ba du ma laisang singda christian gi kar ge yumjun khosin ba si yam na khoi gi tawai da ba yam ko thok ba thaba ga ma ne ba si si
Gauranga Rup Burnan, the annual dance productions of Performing Artists Center, KHUMUJAM, was released and presented at the rehearsal hall of the center at Porompat today. President of the center T.H. Mani and choreographer of the new dance productions and retired senior guru of J.N. Manipur Dance Academy, K. Kumar, were the main guests at the event. Altogether, 9 artists of the center presented the new dance productions, which is about 15 minutes long. Speaking on the occasion, President T.H. Mani said the new dance, Gauranga Rup Burnan, is produced for the year by the center as one of its annual dances produced every year. The center has produced various dance forms over the years, he said. Choreographer and retired senior guru of J.N. Manipur Dance Academy, Konsam Kumar said, the new dance production is a combination of various Lai Harawa dance forms, mainly focused on the dance and the drum rhythms passed down by the gurus. Gauranga Rup Burnan is a dance form that focuses on expressing the good look, gentle and grace of Gauranga.
Kariginong Ibadi, Radhagi Kuchu Sina, Mapanda, Gauranga Pazava, Sana in Manapudum Muduma Kuchu Wele. Aduga, Krishna Amuba Kuchu, the Nap, Tamoid Losilaga, Adamana, Manangasikali Duxid Abita, Avatar Vidana, Bhakta Singbu Magi, Myoibagi, Unsigi Satkada Lambi, Myoibagi Chanaroda, Pokodagina Siva, Augi Lambi, Satkada Lambido, Mana Takbirambado, Nasi Society Haitar Manipur, the Laiva, Myoiva Singsina Satkada Unity, Hazabamagi Lisat Sajat, Mayam Singado, Adugi message to name.
One-day electoral sensitization program for students of Churachandpur Medical College was held at State Academy of Training Imphal, organized by Chief Electoral Officer Manipur yesterday. A quiz competition on ECI's electoral literacy was also held as part of the program. T-shirts, caps and handbook on electoral literacy were also distributed to the students. During the program, attended by around 100 students, joint CEO S.S. Daulat Khan enlightened the students on electoral registrations and ethical registration. The students also took voters' pledge on the occasion.
The details of each one of the candidates from your constituency, you can have access to that. See, when a candidate files a nomination form, मैं इस इलेक्शन में लड़ने जा रहा हूँ, मैं कैंडिडेट बनना चाह रहा हूँ, तो उसके लिए एक फॉर्म नामांकन पत्र भरना पड़ता है. One has to fill a nomination form, which is in the form of Form 1. That is accompanied by affidavit. Having abiding faith in democracy, hereby pledge to uphold the democratic traditions of our country and the dignity of free, fair and peaceful elections.
Now let's take a quick break.
The pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in Education.
Diabetes ko loina de hingiba sing thama gi manungda control to bangamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu thama gi manungda hanthaba ngamle. khong hamba nungaitabasu numit manganigi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles saibadi nungsang nabasu chamada chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oiba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal oiba ngamle. Fatty liver oibasu tha amagi manungda fagathanba ngamle. Pumnamak natural oiba hidak makhana laing jabani. Hakchangda sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak chabagi mathausu tanaroi. Hena kupaparol gidamak ngasimak langsin birau Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. Situation in the state remained tense but was under control with sporadic incidents of firing in congregations of protesters during the last 24 hours between December 4th and 5th. As per a report from Manipur Police Control Room, search operations were conducted by security forces in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Imphal West, 𝐶𝐞 and Churachandpur districts. During the operations, 3 local-made single-barrel guns, 1 local-made pistol, 2 local-made mortars, 1 tear gas gun bearing registration number CWS 892205, 2 9mm ammunition, 3 tear smoke cells, fake currency amounting to Rs 1,200, and a bag were recovered from D. Howlenjang village bordering D. Moljang village in Churachandpur district. In the intervening night of 4th and 5th November, Manipur police arrested 4 individuals near Lengang Pokpi outpost along with 20 soap cases containing brown color powder suspected to be contraband drugs, weighing a total of 254.52 grams. 4 mobile phones and Maruti gypsy vehicles were also seized from them, the report said. It further stated that movement of 352 and 311 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively with essential items were ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided along sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. On the other hand, a total of 141 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, and police detained 323 persons in connections with violations in different districts of the state, the report added. 2-year professional training of Indian Administrative Service IAS batch of 2021 has concluded on December 2nd, 2023. The valedictory functions of 2-year professional training was graced by the Union Minister of Finance Nirmala as the chief guest in Delhi. During the functions, Parikshit Thodam of Uripok Chairap Court Maning, Imphal West District was awarded the Director's Celt for the Best Officer Trainee of the Northeast Qatar. The award is based on the various assessments done over the 2 years of training. He was allotted to the Indian Administrative Service based on his selections in the 2020 UPSC Civil Services examination, securing the 16th position. He is currently posted in the Assam Meghalaya cadre. 10 of 12 BJP MPs who contested and won seats in November's 10 state elections, including Union Ministers Narendra Singh Tomar and Prahlad Patel, resigned from Parliament today and will also step down from the cabinet. The resignations were procedural since the Constitution does not allow an individual to function both as a member of Parliament and Legislative Assembly of a state, a national media reported. The 2 who have not yet resigned, Baba Balaknath from Rajasthan's Alwar and Renuka Singh from Chhattisgarh's Sarguja, are expected to do so shortly, it said. Many of the BJP leaders who quit Parliament today are believed to be in the race to become chief ministers of the 3 states at the party won on Sunday: Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh. Their resignations have ramped up speculation that the party could make this announcement shortly. The Delhi police is on high alert after US-based Khalistani supporter Gurpatwan Singh Panun purportedly released a video threatening to shake the foundations of Parliament on December 13th, the anniversary of the 2001 Parliament attack. This comes closely on the heels of the US accusations that India attempted to assassinate the Khalistani leader. Senior Delhi police officials said extra security has been deployed around Central and New Delhi district areas and in and around Parliament to prevent any possible breach of law and order. The deployment is in view of the video and also in general where we step up security around important premises in the city, said the official. The video had a picture of 2001 Parliament attack convict Afzal Guru and Panun can be heard claiming that the Narendra Modi government tried to kill him and they will respond on December 13. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. MPCC President 𝐾𝐍𝐻 expresses shock over massacre of 13 unarmed Meitei men, questions silence of centre and state government. Like-minded group extends financial help to family of suicide victim 𝐕𝐵𝐄𝐑. And Mizoram People's Movement leader Laldu Homa takes over as the new Chief Minister of Mizoram. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.